Hello friends, my name is Des. Today I am going to teach you how to make a matchbox shooter. Things that require 1 matchbox, 2 ice cream sticks, 2 rubber band and 1 matchstick. First take 1 ice cream stick and open the matchbox and put ice cream stick in that like this. After that, take 1 rubber band and put it in our matchbox like this and make 1 more knot. Now I have make it. Now take second ice cream stick, put it like this and put it like this. Now take the second rubber band and put it in and make some knot. Now I have made it. Now take the matchsticks and put it in rubber band and press this ice cream stick and take the matchsticks and put it like this. Now we will press this one. Oh, it has shoot. Let's check how. Oh, it has gone lot of distance away. You can like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.